5 Celebrity Home Decor Secrets to elevate your living space. Celebrities often set the bar high for home decor, showcasing styles that are both luxurious and personalized. Their homes reflect their unique tastes, often curated with the help of top designers. Here are 5 celebrity home decor secrets that you can use to elevate your own living space. 1. Embrace bold colors and patterns. Celebrities like Kylie Jenner and Sarah Jessica Parker are known for their vibrant interiors. Bold colors and patterns can create a dynamic atmosphere. Start with accent walls or statement furniture in rich hues. Mix patterns. Stripes, florals, and geometrics can coexist beautifully when balanced correctly. 2. Invest in statement pieces. Unique statement pieces can become the focal point of a room. Ellen DeGeneres' home, for example, features modern art and antique furniture that add distinctive character. Visit antique stores, art galleries, or craft fairs to find items that reflect your personal style. 3. Prioritize comfort. Jennifer Aniston emphasizes comfort in her sophisticated yet cozy living spaces. Create a space where you can relax by investing in high-quality, comfortable furniture and adding layers with throws, cushions, and rugs. Soft lighting enhances the cozy ambiance. 4. Incorporate personal touches. Taylor Swift's homes are filled with personal memorabilia and vintage decor that tell a story. Display family photos, travel souvenirs, and sentimental items to make your home uniquely yours. Personalized decor adds character and creates an inviting space. 5. Create indoor-outdoor flow. Celebrities like George Clooney and Cindy Crawford blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Use large windows or glass doors to connect indoor spaces with outdoor areas. Incorporate natural materials like wood and stone for a seamless transition, and add plenty of indoor plants to bring nature inside. Transforming your home with these celebrity decor secrets involves embracing bold choices, investing in unique pieces, prioritizing comfort, adding personal touches, and creating a harmonious indoor-outdoor flow. These tips will help you craft a luxurious and inviting living environment that feels like your personal sanctuary.